Winkler Motorcycle Adventures here, and yep, it's another unboxing video. So this time around, a couple of years ago, I got a seat from Corbin for my 2014 Honda Valkyrie. I got it in carbon fiber vinyl wrap. Looked really nice, held up fairly decent until last year when we hit our rainy adventure going up through Canada and coming down the East Coast. During that trip, the seat, the top layer of the seat started to come undone. It started to kind of rub off. So what I did is I sent Corbin an email explaining to him the situation. Hey, this is still a year-old seat and it's coming apart on top. Not cool, right? Well, I got in contact with their customer service. They sent me an email really fast. They replied really quickly, very professional. They said, you send us your seat, we'll recover it for free. Sounds good. I also told them, hey, this seat's a little bit hard. I don't like sitting on a hard seat for a long ride. It's a little too hard for me. They said, no problem, we'll put softer foam in it. So I asked them how much extra that's going to be to put softer foam in it. They said, you know what, no problem, don't worry about it. So I got my seat recovered and softer foam put in it. So here it is, all packaged up. I got ostrich leather. Figured I'd go crazy, do something. I didn't want to go with the carbon fiber vinyl again, you know, just in case they still have issues with that vendor. So I got the ostrich leather with the metallic flake sides. So I'll bring you in a little closer, we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the seat, still all wrapped up yet. It's got the nice caution, handle your new Corbin saddle with care, avoid contact on any hard surface, do not drop or stand on end. Vinyl can tear easily at base pan edge, yada yada yada. Okay. We got the nice twisty tie here. So I went with the gray ostrich leather. So it's not too bad. It is textured. You can feel all the bumps on it as if it was real ostrich leather. And then I got the silver metallic flake on the sides, so it blends in a little bit, but adds a nice little accent. And it is a shiny glossy, whereas the ostrich is a flat. And you can definitely feel the difference. I had to put softer foam in the front as well as for the passenger. You can definitely feel the difference. It is a lot softer, so I think it's going to be a whole lot better for our long distance rides and possibly the iron saddle this summer. We'll take her one step at a time. One step at a time here. But I did get the dual tour saddle seat because I intended to eventually have a passenger ride with me. And I do have the backrest that fits in here. It's all right. They did well for what it is. It's just a single post. It goes right in here, and then you put the bolt in here so it holds it in. It firms it up. I took my fiance with me on our Canada trip. She did all right, so it holds up. It's not quite as good as Goldwing, but then again, you're not really going to get as good as Goldwing unless you get a Goldwing. So, all in all, not too bad of a seat, so I'll install it, take her for a test ride in a couple weeks when all the snow melts finally and the roads clear off with salt. And I'll let you guys know how it goes.